Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 metal detector. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Metal Detector. The Treasure Hunter GX850 with 13-inch coil is a professional-grade metal detector designed for serious treasure hunters. Its high sensitivity ensures accurate detection of gold coins and other underground treasures, while the waterproof coil allows use in wet conditions or shallow water. Lightweight and easy to handle, it comes with a reliable battery for extended search sessions. The intuitive design and responsive performance make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users, offering excellent value for outdoor exploration enthusiasts. Number 2. Metal Detector. The professional underground metal detector FS2 is a powerful tool for serious treasure hunters. Its deep search capability easily detects gold coins and other metals with precision, while the LCD display provides clear real-time information. The iron rejection feature minimizes false signals, making detection more efficient. Its waterproof coil allows use in wet conditions, adding versatility. Lightweight yet durable, the FS2 is comfortable for extended use. Ideal for beginners and professionals alike, it delivers reliable performance and excellent value. Number 3. Metal Detector. The TX850 metal detector is a powerful tool for both hobbyists and professional treasure hunters. With a detection depth of up to 2.5 meters and an 11-inch coil, it efficiently locates gold coins and other underground treasures. Its pinpointer feature makes pinpointing targets fast and precise, reducing excavation time. Lightweight and ergonomic, it ensures comfortable use during extended searches. The detector's responsive sensors and clear signals make treasure hunting exciting and reliable, making it an excellent choice for serious metal detection enthusiasts. Number 4. Metal Detector. The underground metal detector GTX 5030H is a powerful tool for treasure hunters and hobbyists alike. Equipped with advanced gold and coin detection circuits, it offers high sensitivity for locating buried treasures, metals, and coins. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during extended hunts, while the intuitive controls make it easy for beginners and pros alike. Lightweight yet durable, the GTX 5030H provides accurate depth detection and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about treasure hunting and metal detecting adventures. Number 5. Metal Detector. The underground metal detector with professional depth search is a powerful tool for treasure hunters and hobbyists alike. Its 10 waterproof coil ensures reliable performance even in wet conditions, while the pinpointer feature makes locating targets precise and effortless. Lightweight and user-friendly, it detects gold coins and other metals with impressive depth accuracy. Durable construction and intuitive controls make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, a highly efficient and dependable metal detector for serious treasure hunting adventures. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.